Hello and welcome to Full of Food. There's something about the chili kick from KFC Zinger Burger that's irresistible. In this video, I've tried my best to recreate it at home using my Ninja air fryer. So if, like me, you love a chicken burger, carry on watching for all my tips and tricks. So first tip, make sure to make this lovely KFC Zinger Burger that you use chicken fillets, so chicken breasts, and chili heatwave Doritos. So let's have a full go of the ingredients. I've got my chicken breasts there, my chili heatwave Doritos. I've also got some Frank's hot sauce, garlic and onion granules, some paprika, an egg. I've got my good old Frylight, which I'm going to spray my chicken pieces with, and then to serve, mayonnaise, lettuce, and a burger bun. Now I've got the brioche ones here with those lovely sesame seeds on top, so suggest you get those ones because they work really well. So on to the method. So first thing you want to do is grab yourself a Ziploc bag, and you want to get your Doritos and pop them into the bag. And the aim here is we're going to crush them up to make that lovely coating on the outside of our burger. So get a rolling pin, give it a little bash, don't be too aggressive, otherwise they'll all spray out the end. But the idea here is to get some nice breadcrumby type chunky pieces of Dorito. So next up we want to add a little bit more kick to this, so grab our spices. We're going to use some paprika. I like mine quite hot, so I'm putting in a whole teaspoon here. And then we're going to do some garlic granules and some onion granules. All of the ingredients are in the description. Give that a good old shake so all of those spices are mixed within your Doritos. Okay, so there's that lovely crumb that's going to go on the outside of your burger. Next up, grab your egg, and you just want to give that a quick whisk in the bowl. There we go. And then chicken time. We want to make sure that the chicken is trimmed of any sort of fat pieces, and then we're just going to slice them in half lengthways so we've got these nice thin fillets. So actually 2 chicken breasts will make 4 burgers here. So grab your ingredients, and then the final touch. This is a really good tip. If you've ever had a Zinger Burger, you'll notice that there's some hot sauce next to the actual chicken under those breadcrumbs. So get some hot sauce in a bag, grab your chicken, and we're going to coat our chicken in the hot sauce before we make it up into that lovely crumbly topping. And that just means that it has that extra layer of flavour and really is like a Zinger Burger. So once you've done that, pour them out onto a plate, and then we're just going to grab each one, and we're just going to do really simple egg dip, and then our Doritos crunchy topping dip. Make sure they're nice and covered, so turn it over, fill in any of those gaps, make sure you've got lots of crispy bits on the outside. There we go. So there we have it, the lovely Dorito topping with that lovely hot sauce underneath. So now for cooking. So we're going to do this in the air fryer. We just want to pop those chicken fillets in there. Now what you want to do with your chicken fillets is you want to make sure they're fully cooked through. So I'm just going to spray mine with a bit of Frylight, but that will vary depending on how thick yours are. So you might want to check them halfway through and check them before you obviously eat them. So I did mine for about 12 to 15 minutes. And then what I also did was I turned them halfway through. So if I just show you here, they've started to go nice and brown on the top, but I just want to turn them over so that I get the other side nice and brown. Don't worry if bits fall off at this point, you can sort of stick them back on at the end. So I've done a box from KFC. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pop my mayonnaise on the bun. I'm going to put that, and then my lovely lettuce. I like to use round lettuce here because it tastes really good. And then next up, get that lovely crunchy piece of chicken. You can see I've just checked it by cutting it open there, and absolutely beautiful. Close up that bun, and let's have a little look, see what it looks like from the side. You've got that beautiful crunchy coating, you've got that lovely moist chicken inside, and more importantly you've got that really nice layer of chili sauce underneath your coating. Lashings of mayo, lovely crispy lettuce. So there you have it, my take on a KFC Zinger Burger, easy to do at home. I hope you like it. Let me know in the box below what you think.